The AI Edge, Mastering Microsoft, Bing, Advertising and Copilot Search in 2026. In the hyper-competitive digital landscape of 2026, Bing Advertising, rebranded and revitalized as Microsoft Advertising, has emerged as the definitive AI-first marketing platform. While Google remains the volume leader, Microsoft has captured the high-value professional segment through its deep integration with Windows 11/12's LinkedIn data and the pervasive Copilot AI assistant. For American B2B brands and high-ticket service providers, Bing is no longer an alternative search engine. It is a precision tool for reaching decision-makers within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. As of early 2026, the hallmark of the platform is conversational ad placement, where ads are seamlessly embedded into Copilot's generative AI responses, providing solutions exactly when a user is in a research and action phase. High CPM keywords such as Microsoft Advertising for Enterprise SaaS 2026, LinkedIn profile targeting on Bing, and AI chat ad ROI optimization attract premium advertisements from multi-billion-dollar software companies, financial institutions, and specialized B2B consultants, making this a top-tier niche for financial and marketing content creators. A major structural evolution in 2026 is the full synergy between LinkedIn professional data and Microsoft Search. Advertisers can now target users based on their specific job function, company size, and even industry seniority directly within their search campaigns. This identity-based search is a game-changer for American marketing directors, as it allows for account-based marketing, ABM, at a fraction of the cost of traditional LinkedIn-sponsored content. However, to remain compliant with YouTube's deceptive practices policy, it is critical to address the specific search volume realities of Bing. While the lead quality is often higher, the traffic volume is significantly lower than Google's. Promoting Microsoft ads as a Google killer without discussing the necessity of cross-platform synchronization and the slightly higher average age, income demographic of the Bing user base is a violation of professional transparency. In 2026, the platform also emphasizes ethical AI attribution, where Microsoft's Universal Event Tracking UET 2.0 utilizes privacy-compliant, signal-based tracking to ensure conversion accuracy in a world without third-party cookies. The 2026 model for Microsoft Advertising Excellence also highlights the rise of multimedia ads and video extension overlays. These visually rich formats appear directly in the search results and AI chat sidebar, capturing attention in a way that static text ads never could. For creators, this niche offers immense depth, from explaining the technical logic of the Microsoft Audience Network (MSAN) to navigating the new merchant center for Bing Shopping. By providing evidence-based insights into predictive bidding strategies and the latest auto-generated asset features, where Copilot helps write your ad copy and design your banners, we empower businesses to scale with minimal friction. Furthermore, the 2026 market has seen a surge in Edge browser native ads, which appear on the new tab page and are personalized based on real-time browsing intent. Ultimately, the 2026 Microsoft advertising landscape in the United States represents the perfect marriage of professional data and generative intelligence, ensuring that every marketing dollar is spent reaching a highly qualified, high-intent audience at the absolute moment of professional need.